Are you ready for lightning-fast AI? Microsoft is getting ready to release an update to its Bing search engine and ChatGPT text generator that will bring OpenAI's GPT-4 technology to the masses. With this update, you'll be able to use AI to find answers to your questions faster than ever before. Welcome to InfoTube USA, where we bring you the latest in technology news and trends. Microsoft is getting ready to release an update to its Bing search engine and ChatGPT text generator that will bring OpenAI's GPT-4 technology to the masses. Microsoft's update will allow users to use the Bing search engine and the ChatGPT text generator to generate natural-sounding text from just a few words. This will enable users to find answers to their questions faster than ever before, as AI-generated text can be used to generate answers to questions quickly. Microsoft's upcoming update to its Bing search engine and ChatGPT text generator will feature OpenAI's GPT-4 technology, a cutting-edge artificial intelligence algorithm developed by OpenAI. This will be the first time that OpenAI's GPT-4 technology will be available to the public. Microsoft's update is expected to be released in the coming weeks, and it promises to revolutionize the way we search for information on the web. OpenAI is an artificial intelligence research laboratory founded in 2015 by a group of prominent scientists and technology entrepreneurs, including Elon Musk, Sam Altman, and Greg Brockman. OpenAI's mission is to develop safe and beneficial AI technologies, and it has had notable successes in the fields of natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics. OpenAI is a research laboratory focused on artificial intelligence, AI. Its mission is to develop beneficial AI technologies and to promote their safe use. OpenAI's research has focused on developing AI technologies that can be used to improve humanity, such as natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics. OpenAI has achieved notable successes in these fields, including the development of GPT-3, an AI algorithm that is capable of generating natural-sounding text. OpenAI's research is funded by a number of prominent investors, including Amazon and Microsoft. OpenAI has also received funding from philanthropic organizations, such as the Open Philanthropy Project and the Thiel Foundation. Microsoft's update will bring OpenAI's GPT-4 technology to the masses. This will enable users to find answers to their questions faster than ever before, as AI-generated text can be used to generate answers to questions quickly. The update will also enable users to use the Bing search engine and the ChatGPT text generator to generate text from a variety of data sources. This will allow users to find information from a variety of sources, such as natural language corpora and image datasets. Finally, the update will give users access to OpenAI's open-source software, such as the OpenAI Gym, which can be used by developers to train and test AI algorithms. This open-source software can help developers create AI applications that are more accurate and efficient. When Microsoft's update is released, you'll be able to use the Bing search engine and the ChatGPT text generator to access OpenAI's GPT-4 technology and generate natural-sounding text from just a few words. So what are you waiting for? Get ready for lightning-speed AI with Microsoft's upcoming update to Bing and ChatGPT. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more technology news and updates from InfoTube USA. Thank you again.